Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. If you're scratching your head over the Bosch dryer error code E09, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what this error means, why it happens, and the step-by-step solutions to get your dryer up and running again. This is super helpful for anyone dealing with appliance frustrations in 2025, as dryers have become even smarter but can still throw curveballs. First off, let's break down what E09 actually means. On your Bosch dryer, error code E09 typically signals an issue with the moisture sensor or a communication problem between the dryer's electronic components. It's like your dryer is saying, "Hey, I can't properly detect if your clothes are dry." This error prevents the cycle from completing, which can be a real headache if you're in a rush. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include a dirty or faulty moisture sensor, which can get clogged with lint or residue over time. Loose wiring connections, power surges, or even a malfunctioning control board might also be to blame. If you've recently moved your dryer or experienced a power outage, that could trigger it too. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the lint filter, can help prevent these issues from popping up. Alright, let's get to the fixes. Start by ensuring your safety. Always unplug the dryer before troubleshooting. Step 1. Clean the moisture sensor. Locate it usually near the drum, and gently wipe it with a soft cloth. If that doesn't work, check for any visible loose wires and secure them if needed. Next, run a test cycle without clothes to see if the error persists. If it does, you might need to reset the dryer by holding the power button for 10 seconds or unplugging it for a few minutes. For more persistent problems, consider inspecting the control board or consulting your user manual for model-specific advice. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be time to call in a professional technician, especially if your dryer is under warranty. Remember, fixing it yourself not only saves money but also gives you that satisfying DIY win. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, I've got your back. Stay safe and happy fixing.